of course. Yeah. Skater boy. Who doesn't? He was a boy, she was a girl. How can I make it any more obvious? He was a punk, she did ballet. What more can I say? He wanted her, she'd never tell, but secretly she wanted him as well. But all of her friends stuck up their nose, and they had a problem with his gay clothes. He was a skater boy, she said, see you later boy. He wasn't good enough for her. Now he had a pretty face, but her head was up in his face. She needed to come back down to earth. 5 years from now, she sits at home, eating the baby, she's all alone. She turns on TV, gets who she sees, skater boy rocking up MTV. She calls up her friends, they already know. They both got tickets to see his show. She tags along, stands in the crowd, looks up at the man that she turned down. He was a skater boy, she said, see you later boy. He wasn't good enough for her. Now he's a superstar, she let it on his guitar. She's so pretty face, she what he's worth. He was a skater boy, she said, see you later boy. He wasn't good enough. He's laying on his guitar, she's so pretty face, she's what he's worth. Sorry girl, but you missed out. Love's a block, that boy's mine now. We are more than just good friends. This is how the story ends. Too bad that you couldn't see the man that boy could be. There is more.